My husband takes care of the vegetable garden. I'm on the front end of the house for the beautification part. My husband helped me. He had a rugosa bed up here, and we took those out and shoveled lots of rocks and added soil and expanded the garden. It's the entry garden. It's like we have a lot of walkers on this road. So people walking, people driving by, get to enjoy the color here. And now we have this, I call it the entry bed, the perennial bed that's on the entry garden. I've arranged it so that we have things blooming from early spring to late fall. Favorite types of plants, I have so many. I love the lilies. I love the lilies because they bloom for a long period of time because of the different types of lilies there are. Otherwise, I try to make sure I deadhead faithfully. I've been a little lax this summer, but deadheading is very important for the health of your plants.